So having some food. So that's the Nigerian beans with plantain, and then jerk chicken, and then doubles, and then folks are here eating, and there's a big lineup all of a sudden. Really busy here at Spadina Museum, Spadina House, here in sort of the Lower Forest Hills, Toronto, just down the road from the Casa Loma. And it's here for dismantle, and today it's rebuild, which is the idea of dismantles, of course, taking apart the colonial notions of life here in Toronto. And the rebuild is the idea of what does it look like to reimagine it. So today we're here, and so people are in the gardens getting their food, doing their thing, and people are here just eating. It's cool. Why they set this place up? So yeah, so there's, oh, they brought more chicken out. Yeah.
Would you like another piece? Would you like a barbecue sauce?
Yeah, right over here. We have some ice water here.
I want to send barbecue sauce on jerk. Anyway, they're doing chow, but I'm not going to go for it. But I'm going to go ahead to see if I'll get some, because I want to try it.
No, over here. Okay, did you have to add? We have some.
I can get seconds, so I might go back and get some chicken. Yeah. All right.
A little bit of barbecue sauce?
It's bringing that doubles. What's he gonna do with it? Oh, it's late.